Hi everyone, it's Hawkeye here.
My name is Bowshadow.
And today we have been talking about the Leatherman Leap.
And today I will be showing you the Leatherman Leap.
This is an item for children and Cub Scouts.
It's a great tool for scouts and kids.
Let's get started.
I'm going to use these scissors to make a snowflake. I think this is a good tool for kids to have. It's a really fun thing to use.
Ta-da! Once a parent decides that their child is ready to put the knife on and that they're more responsible now, that you could just take this and put it on. These grooves are made to fit a child's hand so that the knife locks. You can't shut it, but once you hold that lockdown, you can. So yeah.
My dad decided it was time to put the knife on this Leatherman, so I'm going to use it to sharpen a pencil.
I'm going to try and take some hooks out of my wall with this.
I'm going to be changing batteries in my toy today. What you do is you hold the trigger and it looks like a fan inside. And you let go, it flies up. It has weak batteries in it, so I'm going to change them. There we go. Let's see the difference now. Wow, and all the way up to the ceiling.
Another cool thing about the Leatherman Leap is the saw.
I'm so frustrated that the knob of my dresser keeps falling off. But I'm gonna fix it. There we go, I fixed it. I think this is a good tool for kids to have. You don't have to ask your dad to help because you can do a lot of cool stuff without his help.
So, yeah, that's why I like this. And have a good night.
That just blows the rest of them out of the water when you take price into account. Yes, these are a little bit more carryable, but for what you get tool-wise, what you can do, all the capabilities you get with the Wingman, and that outstanding price, I think this one just wins hands down.